So a couple months ago, some buddies of mine got some 3D printers. I'll leave a link to their channel at the end of this video. So I decided to get one myself, and to tell you the truth, it's probably been the biggest mistake I've ever made. For one, it consumes all my time in making parts and getting things ready and printing dinosaurs and doing mods such as these rollers. Like designing this camera case right here. This took me forever. But to tell you the truth, I think that this is going to be a fun little hobby. I've been wanting one now for probably about a year and a half. And I finally pulled the trigger and picked up a Ender 3 Pro. I've already used it to make some RC car parts like these shock spacers and this Raspberry Pi case. Needless to say, I think that this is going to be a great addition to the shop. I'll be able to make lots of little camera jigs and shims and quick little parts. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.